My name is Roxy. Name is Roxy. My name is Roxy. 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 Misty, I'm the Impulers. I'm the Impulers. Miss Hobbsy.
I don't know what I am. I'm a dog, but I don't know if I'm Newfoundland or Leonberg or what else? I don't know. I'm very sad. I don't even know what kind of dog I am. Can you guys please help me? I don't really have any idea. I don't look like a Newfoundland dog. I look like a Leonberg, just like what Mama said. Now I'm confused. It's a big problem. It's a big confusion. I'm so tired right now. I want to go to sleep. And I hear the plates. I think there's food coming out. I feel a little bit hungry. I ate too much. My name is Misty. And I'm a terrier. And I'm sure of that. Because did you see me? That's my look. That's the look of the terrier. A terror. A terrier terror. But even I am 6 months old, I have to walk away. Because somebody's filming me. I have a gray hair already. I'm embarrassed to show my gray hair. Guys, stop following me. Stop following me, guys. I'm old. 6 months I'm old. I have gray hair. I look embarrassed. I'm a terrier, but the cutest terrier. I'm the cutest terrier. Yes, I'm cute. I'm the cutest. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. My sister is coming. My idiot sister. I don't know why they're here. Stop it! Leave me alone! Leave me alone, idiot! Leave me alone, idiot! Leave me alone, idiot! I'm the man in this house, and I'm the boss. No one can defeat me. I'm the man, and the only one. Hobbsy boy. I'm going to hide. I'm here, hiding. Because I have 2 sisters. The crazy sisters of all time. I'm gonna hide myself here. Bye, guys.